Hello and welcome. I am Nitesh Pran from LabVIEW and Multisim. In this video, I will give you some information about the LabVIEW which you can use in the technical session and interview. First is a VI advantage. The performance, platform, independent natures, flexibility, low cost, plug in and network hardware, the cost of measurement application, reducing system application time cost, lowering the cost of hardware and software, minimizing the setup and configuration time cost, decreasing application software development time cost. VI advantage of LabVIEW: easy to learn, easy to use, complete functionality, modular development, virtual instrumentation in engineering process, research and design, development, test and validations, manufacturing test, manufacturing design. G programming, data type and conversion, representations and precision creating and saving VI, wiring, editing and debugging, creating sub VI and VI libraries. You can use this knowledge, you can use this concept in your interview time. You can search in Google and you can learn more if you want to learn more about in each and every topics. So thank you for watching this video.